Yes, sir. We got a special one today. Welcome back to Konye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got a truffle Alfredo shrimp pasta. Well, I guess you call it truffle shrimp Alfredo pasta. Whatever you want to call it, it's going to taste amazing. So you already know, follow the instructions on the screen and you'll be good to go. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Truffle just makes so many things taste great. It's honestly a cheat code in cooking anything, to be honest. So just remember, truffle oil is very strong, so just put a little bit of it, taste it, and then see if you want a little bit more. But other than that, simple recipe. Try it out and enjoy.